Imagine boarding a cruise with $100 in onboard credit before you even step on the ship, just because you know the tip I'm about to share in this video. Yes, it's real, and it's a trick many cruisers don't know about. Today, I'll explain exactly how it works and how much you can get. But stick to the end. I'll show you how to avoid the mistakes that lead to your request being denied. I'm talking about onboard credit, an amount added to your account on the ship that you can use to pay for extras during the cruise. For example, specialty drinks and coffees, excursions, spa and salon treatments, specialty restaurants, photos, shops, and even the casino. Yes, you heard that right, the casino. Before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy or sell anything. I'm simply showing you a shareholder benefit that exists with certain cruise lines and how to use it properly. Remember, it's not cash and it's not automatic. You have to submit a request and meet the conditions. When I say cruise companies, the reality is that most don't offer a clear public shareholder benefit. The best-known programs come from three publicly traded groups: Carnival Corporation, Royal Caribbean Group, and Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings, which together represent about 80% of the industry. In this video, we're focusing on these three because they're the ones where you can find published rules and amounts. The most common threshold is 100 shares. You hold 100 shares or more, and you can request onboard credit. But be careful, it's generally per cabin per cruise, not per person. You often have to submit the request before a deadline. Some promotions or bookings may be excluded. So the idea is, you act early, you send clean proof, and you verify that it's been properly applied. I'll put in the description each cruise line's website with details of their own program. Let's start with Royal Caribbean Group. For 100 shares and more, the typical announced amounts are 5 nights or less, $50, 6 to 13 nights, $100, 14 nights or more, $250. What this means in practice: the longer the cruise, the more attractive the credit. And once again, it's generally per cabin. So if there are two of you in the same cabin, it's not $100 each, it's $100 for the cabin. It's important to know that the Royal Caribbean Group stockholder onboard credit applies to its three wholly owned brands: Royal Caribbean International, Celebrity Cruises, and Silversea, but typically not to chartered or Galapagos sailings. Let's move on to Carnival Corporation. For 100 shares and more, the typical announced amounts are 6 to 13 nights, $100, 14 nights or more, $250. You'll notice a detail. Here we're mainly talking about cruises starting at 6 nights. So if you're doing a very short mini cruise, this program may not be as attractive depending on the current conditions. The good news? You can request the credit on any Carnival Corporation cruise line. The shareholder benefit applies across all their brands, including Carnival Cruise Line, Princess Cruises, Holland America Line, Seabourn, Costa Cruises, P&O Cruises, and AIDA. And now, Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings. For 100 shares or more, the typical announced amounts are 6 days or less, $50, 7 to 14 days, $100. This benefit also applies to all three of its brands: Norwegian Cruise Line, Oceania Cruises, and Regent Seven Seas Cruises. Same logic. The longer it is, the more attractive it is. And as always, verify eligibility according to your booking. Here's the simplest method. Step 1. You hold the shares through your broker. You keep proof showing your name and the number of shares. Step 2. You book your cruise. You keep your booking number. Step 3. You send the request as soon as possible. In your message, you include your name, your booking number, the departure date, and your proof of ownership. Step 4. You verify that the credit has been properly applied. If you don't see it, you follow up before departure. Tip 1. If you're going through an agency, ask them to handle the request for you. It avoids back and forth. Tip 2. Applications will not be accepted once you're on board, so submit yours a few weeks before boarding to be safe. Pitfall number 1. Submitting the request too late. Solution: do it as soon as you have your booking. Pitfall number 2. Sending blurry or incomplete proof. Solution: clear screenshot, your name visible, number of shares visible. Pitfall number 3. Thinking it's per person. Solution: remember that it's often per cabin. Pitfall number 4. Buying shares solely for the credit. The credit can be nice, but a stock can drop. So think bonus, not main reason. Now here's the key point I promised at the beginning. There's no limit per year. Take 2 cruises, you get the credit twice. Love cruising and book 40 weeks across 40 separate reservations? You get 40 times your $100 onboard credit. Pretty cool, right? So let's run some numbers for my analytic on this channel. At the day of publishing this video, each company has a different share value was around. Royal Caribbean Group, $300, so you need around $30,000 share value to get your $100 onboard credit. Carnival Corporation, $26, so you need around $2,600 share value to get your $100 onboard credit. Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings, $21, so you need around $2,100 share value to get your $100 onboard credit. So yes, with 100 shares or more, you can sometimes get onboard credit with Carnival, Royal Caribbean, and Norwegian. The amounts depend mainly on the length of the cruise. If you want, I'll prepare a copy-paste checklist for you. What to send, when to send it, and a ready-to-use message template. Just write checklist in the comments and I will send it to you. I'm curious to know, did any of you use these tips on one of your cruises? If so, please share with us how it went. Did you know your next cruise will cost more? Watch our YouTube video to find out why. Cruise prices just got much more expensive. Here's why. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video to support the channel and also subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming cruise and investment analyses. See you in the next video and enjoy your onboard credit.